In today's video, we'll have a look at the first step in Krishna Kerala mural painting, the outlining. Yellow ochre or burnt sienna can be used for outlining. I've used burnt sienna here. Liner brushes like 000 long hair brushes are generally used. If that's not available, you can use 00 or 000 short hair brushes according to availability. It is preferred to outline from top to bottom, as subsequent portions will dry correctly by the time we move on to the next step of the painting. Accidental smudging can thus be prevented. Coming to dilution of the paint. The method followed is add a few droplets to the paint and mix. The consistency should be such that a line can be drawn evenly on a small canvas piece without blotches of the paint appearing, and when the paint brush is held, no droplets fall off from the brush. Free-flowing outlining can be done without any friction on the canvas. In case the consistency becomes too loose, more paint can be added to the diluted mixture for correction. Outlines should not be too thick, and while using long hair brushes, brush balance and paint holding capacity will be better. Pencil sketch will contain a lot of guidelines used for measurements and leveling. The final sketch is always the outline sketch, and it has to be made sure that outlining is done correctly without including guidelines or any unnecessary elements. What is on the final sketch will be on our painting, so the final sketch has to be prepared carefully. Apt drying time should be provided for the final sketch outline to be dried perfectly, preferably overnight. Once the outline of the complete painting has been completed and dried, use an eraser to completely erase the canvas, thus cleaning any existing pencil marks. Don't forget to write in your suggestions and thoughts on this tutorial in the comment section below, and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any video in this Kerala mural painting series. I'll see you soon with the tutorial of a next step, and that's mural yellow. Stay tuned.